Hello English user students, I am Jeffrey and I am here again to teach you a couple of lessons. This time we're going to talk about traffic laws in Lesson 5. Do you have a driver's license? If you drive, you know for sure that you must respect the traffic laws. For example, you must wear a seatbelt and respect the traffic lights and signs. Otherwise, you could get a ticket. It is also important that you stay centered in your lane. But even if you are a pedestrian, you have some rules to follow. For example, you have to cross at the pedestrian crossing and you mustn't walk on the street but on the sidewalk. And what if you want to get your driver's license? First of all, you need to be 18 years old. Then you must attend first aid courses and pass an eyesight test. You have to know traffic rules because you need to pass a traffic laws and signs test. When you drive, you have to respect the disabled parking spaces and look for the appropriate parking space even if it's farther away. When we use must, we are talking about obligations. You must wear a seatbelt. You mustn't run a red light. Must and mustn't are followed by the simple form of the verb. We use have to talk about the need of something. You have to know the driver's obligations. This means it is necessary to know them. You don't have to go to the DMV office to get a form. This means it is not necessary to go to the office to get a form. And we use can to talk about permission. Can I park my car here? No, you can't park your car here. You can park it in the parking lot 1 block from here. Now, let's go to Lesson 6, where you are going to learn how to describe people. To describe people, we can talk about their appearance and their personality. What do you look like? This question helps us ask about appearance. What does she look like? What do they look like? To answer these kinds of questions, we need to know some adjectives. Someone can be tall, medium height, or short. They can also be slim, well-built, or overweight, and depending on their age, can be young, middle age, or elderly. They can have dark eyes, or maybe they have gray, brown, hazel, blue, or green eyes. And their hair can be straight, wavy, or curly. They can have long or short hair, or they can be bald. But they can have a mustache or a beard. There are so many words to talk about their appearance. When you talk about hair, you need to say the adjectives in the following order: length, style, and color hair. Straight brown hair. Curly black hair. Long wavy brown hair. And what about personality? What are you like? This question helps us ask about personality. What is she like? What is your best friend like? What are they like? Now we need some adjectives to be able to answer these questions. Listen carefully. I am cheerful, but I have a really grumpy cousin. Besides, I am outgoing and he is shy. My sister is polite and hardworking, but her boyfriend is kind of lazy. There are some men that are really neat, but others can be extremely messy or untidy. Adults tend to be patient with kids, but there are some impatient people. Some senior citizens are generous and nice, but sometimes as they get older they become unpleasant or rude. Did you notice how many adjectives were used in here? 16. There are too many adjectives you can use to talk about people's personality, but these are enough for now. Now I'm going to read an email I received from a friend that lives abroad. Listen carefully, as it will be useful for you too. Hello, Jeffrey. How are you doing? Hope you are well. I'm thrilled to tell you about someone I just met. Her name is Sam. She is a new student at school. She is gorgeous, she is slim and medium height, she has long, straight, brown hair and hazel eyes. We chatted for a while and I can tell she is cheerful, although a little shy. I hope to see you soon and introduce her. I miss you, lots of love, Charlie. Well, it seems Charlie is a lucky guy. That's all for now. See you next time.